How to boot from USB flash drive on Laptop HP Compaq nc6320 to install Windows 7. Turn on the laptop. Immediately press F10 to open the BIOS setup. Select the System Configuration, and then select Device Configurations. Make sure or set USB Legacy Support to Enabled. From System Configuration tab, select Boot Options. Select Boot Order, and then choose USB Hard Disk, then modify the boot order making USB Hard Disk in the first bootable option, then press F10 to accept. Select File, and choose Save Changes and exit. Then insert the USB flash drive into a USB port. And then press Enter to select Save Change and exit. Then press F10 to select Yes. Immediately press F9 to open the Boot Device Options menu. Select the USB hard disk, and then press Enter. Press any key to boot from USB. And then press Enter.